In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change layer order here in Canva. Now, this is extremely easy to do. When we have our design like this, we simply want to click onto one of the elements. We can come to the three dots just here and then come down to layer just here and then show layers. Now we have all of our layers just here. Now we have two different options. We have all, and we can see all of the different layers, and we have overlapping. So right here, this is going to show you the layers which are overlapping. Now if we go on to all, to rearrange this is really simple. All we have to do is click onto the layer and then we can drag it up or down or to wherever that we want. But that's just how simple it is to change layer order here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.